Hi guys, welcome to our channel Humpty Dumpty 2. So guys, in today's video I will be talking about Police Clearance Certificate, which is also called as PCC. It is a mandatory document that you need to get done when you apply for Canada PR. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get a notification of all our videos and you are tuned to our channel. Me and my husband hold Canada PR and hence we are sharing our journey with you guys on this channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to our channel. And also, after you've watched the video, if you like it, then do give it a big fat thumbs up. Okay then, so let's get started. As usual, let me set the agenda for you. So in this video, we will be talking about what is PCC, who needs to get it done, how can you apply for this PCC, what are the major documents that you require, fifth is what is the cost, sixth we will be talking about timeline. Okay then, so let's get started. So now what is PCC? So guys, PCC is the Police Clearance Certificate. So whenever you apply for immigration to any country for that matter, be it Canada, Australia, New Zealand or whatever, you need to get the Police Clearance Certificate in order to be eligible. So this is to check that if you have any criminal records, you're clear from that criminal history. Alright. So hence it is very important that you get your PCC done well on time. Next point is who needs to get the PCC done. So guys, PCC is mandatory for everyone who is attached to that application process. So even if you're a primary applicant, you have a secondary applicant, you're traveling with your family members and you have your kids, everyone needs to get this PCC done. Anyone who is of the age 18 years or above. So this PCC is basically a criminal check or background check that is done on you for the last 10 years. So you need to get this PCC done for all the countries that you've stayed in for the last 10 years and your stay should be more than or equal to 6 months. So if you've stayed in any country for even 6 months and 1 day, then you have to get your PCC done. It is a mandatory document required for your application. So in summary, all the family members who are above 18 years of age need to get the PCC, and the PCC background is done for the last 10 years in all the countries that you have stayed. Next point is how do you apply for this PCC? For people in India, the process is pretty simple. What you can do is you can directly go to Passport Seva Kendra website, go to PCC section and opt for a PCC clearance certificate, and then they'll ask you to book an appointment, whichever appointment is available. So you can go ahead and book a slot for yourself. It's as simple as that. And once you book a slot, you need to go to that passport office on that particular day, on that time slot. You will be asked to go to a counter. That person will ask you few questions, and if he is satisfied, then right there and then he will give you the PCC certificate. So this is how we did. We booked a slot and submitted our application on Passport Seva Kendra website. We went to the passport office on the appointment date, and within the same day we got our PCC certificate. But in some cases it also happens that the person is not satisfied with your answers. In that case, a person from police department will visit your address and do the verification. Once he is done with his verification, that police person will send the report to RPO office, and RPO office will then ask you to again go to passport office and get your PCC certificate. On the other hand, if you stayed in any country for more than 6 months, then you need to apply at the nearest Indian embassy and get the PCC certificate for yourself. So fourth point is what documents you need to get the PCC done. So the only document required is your passport and 2 to 3 copies, photocopies of your passport that should be there with you. But one catch here is if your address is different on your passport, then you need an address proof. So for that you will need that document as well. Otherwise your passport is sufficient. Next point is what is the cost of this PCC. So guys, cost is minimal. It just takes 500 rupees for one person. So when you apply on Passport Seva Kendra website, then and there itself they'll ask you to do the payment. So you can just do the payment of 500 rupees. Final point is what is the time, how much time does it take to get the PCC done. So generally it is between 1 to 2 weeks. So it's easy. When you go to Passport Seva Kendra website, you are allowed to choose a slot for yourself. So based on whatever the recent slot available, you can book the slot. You can just book the slot, appear for your police verification and get your PCC done then and there itself. Just takes 1 to 2 weeks. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and now you would be clear how the PCC needs to be done when you're applying for your Canada PR. So do let me know if you like the video. Click on the like button, and also you can leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel guys, then go ahead and click on subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get all the notification of our videos. And stay tuned to our channel because we create videos on Canada PR regularly for you guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay home.